damn. You okay?
Happy birthday!
Hey, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Can I do it to you?
Oh, good job. Oh, we spilled a little, but that's okay. Oh, don't look at it. Oh, did you panic? It's okay.
We listen and we don't judge. Sometimes when you have a booger, I feed it to you.
There. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that?
You're